RV tour in North America is familiar to most people, even if it's an area they haven't been to. They're in English-speaking countries, and say Canada and United States feels familiar to them, whereas going overseas is not so familiar. And the campgrounds are different. The RVs are different. So it can be very intimidating to a vacation planner when they start thinking of an RV vacation in a foreign country. And we take the worry and the stress out of that type of planning. And literally, all you have to do is show up, and we've taken care of the rest.
There's so much to explore that overlooking some of the can't-miss destinations is a very real and unfortunate possibility. Yet for those traveling as part of a guided RV tour group, the can't-miss excursions are all just part of the deal.
On a group tour, you're not going to have to guess what the best things are to see. A tour company goes there year after year after year, and constantly are updating the best things to see, the can't-miss places. That's one of the very best things about traveling abroad with a tour company.
Fantasy RV Tours offers professionally guided caravans and rallies around the world
in some of the most amazing RV destinations.
Join like-minded travelers and expert tour guides to explore a whole new world of travel.
New adventures, memories, and friends await you.